Oh yeah, so these aren't meant for the Prelude. They're for an Accord, I think. But they fit the Prelude. They fit the 3rd gen Prelude. And I know Daily Extreme Drivers got them, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get them too just to see what they're all about. It's high performance components, Prothane. They look pretty legit, but I'll find out when I put them on the car. Alright, so I'm gonna take these out of the box. I know Daily Extreme Drivers got these. That's why I got them. So yeah, let's get into the box. That's what they look like. So that's just one. It comes with 4. It also came with this grease. It's Prothane Super Grease. It came with instructions, but I think this is for an Accord. Yeah, it doesn't say anywhere that it's for an Accord, but I think that's what they're for. So this is our parts. We got the inner tie rods, the lower ball joints, bearings, you name it, to rebuild the whole suspension for the front. All we need is the coilovers. We're gonna get the Key Sport ones, and after we're done with the front, we're gonna start working on the back. Just so you know, this is what the old upper control arm bushings look like. They're just completely falling apart. They're so like dry rotted. I don't know, I think these are the original ones. They look pretty bad. I don't know how this car handled that beating. But yeah, we're gonna give it a nice tuning, and it should run like brand new. So the next clip of us is gonna be installing the bushings into the bracket right here. We're not gonna use the press because these are easy to fit in here. I know a good tip is to freeze these and then you just put them in here. Yeah, we also need the washers, and I think we're just gonna get those at Home Depot. But if we can't, we'll just order them online. And also, when we're done with this, we're gonna give this whole piece right here a good paint job so it looks nice. And yeah. So we finally installed the upper control arm bushings. We were going to paint this bracket right here, but we figured it doesn't get hit by water and rocks and debris that much, so we should be fine on this. I'm mostly concerned with the knuckle and the lower control arm because it's like down here, so it does get hit by rocks and water. This is the passenger side. The bushing is basically non-existent. It's just the metal rod going through it, and like if you shake it up and down, it makes this clunk noise, so that's no good.